Welcome to the ultimate real-life RPG, where your modern financial survival relies entirely on a hidden score called the trust meter. Most people treat credit cards like dangerous traps or free money simulators, but today we are pulling back the curtain to reveal how you can completely master this system without ever paying a single cent of interest. Whether you are a total beginner picking up your very first starter card or an experienced player looking to optimize your stats for a major upgrade, the rules remain exactly the same. This is not about falling into debt. It is about demonstrating to the village bank managers that you can handle power safely. By understanding how your daily choices shift this invisible metric, you can unlock premium rewards, low rates, and financial freedom. Let us look at two players, Maya and Jordan, to see exactly how these mechanics play out in real time. Meet Maya, an elite player who understands that consistency is the ultimate cheat code for building credit. Maya uses her basic starter credit card for minor daily transactions, like grabbing an iced coffee or a small potion from the village market. Instead of letting that balance sit there gathering dust and accumulating dangerous interest penalties, she logs into her portal and wipes out the balance immediately after the purchase clears. This simple habit triggers her daily streak multiplier, which represents the payment history metric that makes up over 1/3 of your total credit score. Every single time Maya completes a transaction and cleans the slate, a bright green +5 trust animation floats straight up into the air above her head. By treating her credit card exactly like a standard debit card, she enjoys a flawlessly pristine financial record while proving she is incredibly reliable without paying a single dime to the bank. Now, let us look at Jordan, a player who views credit as a magical, bottomless chest of free gold coins. Spotting an incredibly shiny, legendary sword in the village armory that he cannot actually afford, Jordan pulls out his credit card and buys it instantly. Instead of paying off the balance like Maya did, Jordan completely panics when the monthly statement arrives and decides to ignore the bill entirely, shoving it deep into his inventory. This massive blunder completely breaks his streak, causing a giant red -100 trust graphic to violently slash across his entire screen. Jordan thinks he successfully cheated the system by walking away with a premium item for free, but his invisible trust meter is absolutely tanking behind the scenes. By ignoring the rules of the game, he has allowed high interest penalties to quietly compound, transforming his short-term prize into a long-term financial nightmare. The second major mechanic we must master is called credit utilization, or what we like to call the inventory capacity limit. Think of your total credit limit as a backpack that can only hold a certain weight of items before slowing you down. Maya has a credit limit of $1,000, but she smartly keeps her inventory filled below 30%, meaning she never carries more than $300 of balance at any given time. This low utilization tells the credit system algorithms that she is not desperate for resources and knows how to ration her supplies efficiently. Jordan, on the other hand, completely maxes out his backpack capacity to 100%, stuffing it to the absolute brim. To the system, a maxed out backpack signals high panic and extreme risk, dragging his trust meter down even further, regardless of whatever good intentions he might have originally planned his score to be. Ultimate test of your score arrives when you finally decide to purchase a massive endgame asset, like a protective house shield from the local village bank. Maya and Jordan both march up to the intimidating bank manager's iron gates to request a massive loan for their upgrade. When the manager looks over Maya's avatar, her hovering trust meter shines with a spectacular high-ranking gold aura due to her high streak and low inventory weight. With a wide smile, the manager instantly commands the massive iron gates to swing wide open, granting her access to the lowest interest rates available. But When Jordan steps forward with his shattered meter and heavily weighed down backpack, the manager's expression turns completely cold. With a definitive boom, the heavy iron doors slam directly in Jordan's face, rejecting his application entirely and locking his character out of the prime neighborhood until he repairs his broken score. Gaming the credit system legally does not require complex algorithms or hidden secrets. It just requires playing by these basic behavioral mechanics. To maximize your trust meter today, treat your credit limits like a strict tool for reflection, rather than an extension of your paycheck. Set up automated calendar reminders or instant alerts so you never miss a statement deadline, and keep your inventory utilization well below that golden 30% mark. When you master these core habits, you effectively turn the banking framework on its head, extracting valuable rewards points and building an elite score without ever funding the banks with high-interest penalties. You now hold the exact blueprint to transform your credit score from an intimidating mystery into a high-scoring game that you control completely. Take charge of your financial avatar. Start building your daily streaks today and watch your own personal trust meter skyrocket to new heights. As always, appreciate you hanging out today. See you in the next one.